What's going on, guys? We're gonna crack the case today. I ran off to Harbor Freight, met up with a buddy of mine who was over there, decided to go ahead and buy a 4-ton bottle jack because in talking with someone else, they suggested using a bottle jack to separate the case halves. And considering they've done this a whole lot more than me, figured I'd give it a shot. Everybody loves tools, right? We will hook this together. Yep, that works. Get our gloves on and spin this around. Look at that.
Tecnologia!
Already losing red paint off of the this thing. That's all right, because that cracked. Ta-da! All right. Whew. That wasn't gonna fall until you started walking over here.
All right.
All right. Say hi to the folks at home.
Folks at home.
All right, so here's one of the bearings that came out. Carefully run your finger across. What do you feel?
Smooth.
Smooth?
Yeah.
All right, carefully run your finger across the top of that. Smooth. Now it's half of this bearing is missing. You just had to have a Subaru, didn't you?
Make one noise.
I'm getting the full Subaru experience. I love Subaru. Now we need two bearings. At least it wasn't the very last part of the engine build.
Yeah.
You know?
Could be worse.
Yeah. All right.
So we need two bearings.
No, we need all bearings, buddy.
Need all bearings.
All the bearings. We're this far into this. This whole thing's getting redone. Okay. Let's do it.